Hello my dear students. In my last session we have completed chapter 2. I think computer language. I think all the concepts about the computer language are clear to you. Still, if you are having any problem, you can contact me anytime. And I hope you have done your notebook work also. Now today we will start our next topic, that is more on PowerPoint 2010. This is your chapter 5. After second we are doing the chapter 5, that is more on PowerPoint 2010. In your previous classes you have done the PowerPoint presentation. Now what is PowerPoint? You all are familiar with this. This is a presentation software. By this you can share your views and ideas using the PowerPoint. In this you can use the videos, you can use the pictures, you can use the bar graph, you can use the tables. By using these methods you can you can show your presentation, you can show your views and ideas on the PowerPoint. Now today we will discuss how we can insert a table in a PowerPoint. Our first topic is inserting a table in a PowerPoint. In this, our first topic is how we can insert a table in a PowerPoint. Firstly, you will go to the Home tab, then click on New Slide, then click on Slide and Content. When you will click on this, then title and content type of slide will be inserted in your PowerPoint presentation. Then you will go on Insert Table icon. After you will click on Insert Table icon, that is on your this slide, that is title and content slide. After that it will ask for you how many rows and columns you want in your table. When you will give the number of the rows and columns, then the table will be appear on your appear on your desktop. You can see that which number of the rows and the columns you have given. According to that, the table is inserted on your desktop. As I told you, by this method you can insert a table. But don't worry, I am only speaking. I will show you all these steps by the practical session also. But in starting of this video I am telling you what we will do in our practical session. After inserting a table, I will tell you how you can enter a data in a table. Next topic we will discuss how we can insert the new rows and the column. सपोज आपने 4-5 रोज उसके अंदर डाल रखी हैं. आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर सम टाइम्स यू रियलाइज दैट वन मोर रो यू नीडेड. आपको एक और रो चाहिए, वो भी रोल नंबर 4 आया है, कोई नया बच्चा आया है जिसने एंटर किया है, उसका रोल नंबर 4 है और उसको आपको टेबल में इंसर्ट करना है. तो आप बीच में रोज़ को कैसे इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं और ऐसे ही आप कॉलम्स कैसे और इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली हाउ टू डिलीट रोज़ एंड कॉलम्स. हमारी बनी बनाई जो रोज़ है उसमें से किसी रोज़ को कैसे डिलीट करना और कैसे कॉलम्स को डिलीट करना है. आफ्टर दैट हाउ टू शेप फिल. दिस शेप फिल इज़ लाइक दिस. This is a cell in a table. At the background of this cell you want some color, green, red, blue. This is the shape fill feature I will tell you. Next is the table tools. When you will insert a table, then you will see that two tabs come on the menu bar, that is the design tab and the layout tab. By using these tabs you can change the layout of the table and you can design your table according to your requirement also. After table tools we will discuss table styles. By clicking on the table style, there are the different type of the styles of the table according to your choice, according to your requirement, which outlook you want of your table. Then you can choose a table style from here. After that we will discuss table shading, how to shade a table. Table border, how you can apply the border to the table. how you can apply a color to a border, that comes under the border color. Next topic is border style, how you can give a style to the border of the table, like what will be the width of the border. By choosing this button, you can change the width of the border by going into the border style. Next, alignment of text in a table. When you are entering a text in a table, entering a data in a table, how you can align that should be right aligned, left aligned, center aligned, how we can do this. So all these topics we will cover in our today's session. Only I have just tell you, now we will do all these sessions on our practical on our laptop. Please come with me on my laptop session. As I am doing, please follow me, and simultaneously you can follow my steps on your laptops, and you can clear all these clear out all these topics. Still, if you are having problem, you can concern your book also. All the steps are given in your books. बट फिर भी आपको कोई इश्यू है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, अभी भी समझ नहीं आ रहा, एनी टाइम यू कैन कॉल मी एंड यू कैन send me your query on my WhatsApp number. So please be ready with the practical session and come with me. Click on Microsoft PowerPoint. When you will click on, this new slide is automatically inserted in it. If you want to insert any other slides, then go here, click on Home tab, then go to this new slide in the slide group. There are the various formats of the slides, and you can insert any slide which you desire, which you want to insert from here. Title slide, title and content. Now I am inserting title and content slide. Now you can see here, this slide is inserted, and this is the slide number 2. And first was just simple title slide, and second was title and content slide, because in this we can insert a table here, we can make a chart, we can insert graphics, we can insert pictures, we can clip art, any video we can insert from it. If we want to insert a table, then click on this insert a table. Then this dialog box will be opened, insert table dialog box. It will ask from you how many number of the rows and columns you want to insert. I am giving number of columns 5 and number of the rows 2. You can increase your rows also, and click on OK. Now this type of table is inserted here. This is your first topic, that is inserting a table on the page number 37. Now how you can enter a data in a table, this is your second topic. For inserting a table, we can place our mouse pointer in the first cell. This is your first cell. First cell here, and you can insert anything here. For example, I am giving name, class. From the if I press the tab button, then you will move to the next cell like this. Name, class, address. If now I want to move to the next cell, then I will press the tab button. Now you can see I am in the next cell. Name, class, address, phone number, and city. By this method I have given the 5 names to the column. These are the name of the columns. So by this we can insert a table, and by this method we can entering a data in a table. Now how you can edit a table? Suppose you want to insert a new tab in a table, new row in a table. This is the column name row. Next 3 rows I am having, and I want to insert one more row. Then how I can insert? अगर मुझे यहाँ इंसर्ट करनी है तो मैं यहाँ क्लिक करूँगी, इस रो के ऊपर या नीचे आई कैन इंसर्ट दिस. अगर यहाँ इंसर्ट करनी है तो यहाँ पर अपने कर्सर को लेकर आऊँगी, तो इस रो के ऊपर या नीचे आई कैन इंसर्ट अ न्यू रो. सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू इंसर्ट अ न्यू रो बिलो, देन आई क्लिक ऑन दिस रो एंड राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस. हियर इज अ इंसर्ट. Now go to the insert and click on insert row above or insert row below. अगर नीचे insert करनी है then I will insert rows below. Now you can see previously it was 3 rows, now it is 4 rows. By this method you can insert a new row. Now I am entering a data. Now you can see randomly I have inserted some data in it. I have putting some names, class, address, phone number and city. If now previously I told you how you can insert a new row. Now how you can delete a row. Suppose I want to delete this row II, whose name is II. Click here, right click, now for deleting this row I have selected this row and press the delete button from the keyboard. Now this data of this row is deleted. If you want to delete that row, then click on this upper row, right click, then the delete row and column, then this row will be deleted. By this you can delete a row. और अगर आप इसको रीडू करना चाहते हो then go up quick access toolbar and this will be redo. Again I clicking, data has come. Again I am clicking, all the data is redo here. Now if you want to give the background color of the cell, then how you can give it? Suppose I am in this cell, FF cell, and I want to give the background color of this cell. Go to the home tab, then go to the drawing group and go here shape fill. Now which color you will select it, that will be the background color of this cell. You can see the changes here. The FF cell is now, that is of the green color. So I told you how you can insert the table, how you can insert the new rows and the new columns, how you can delete the new rows and the new column. I have given you the example of the inserting a row. Similar you can insert a column also. Now I will tell you about the next topic in your book on the page number 38, that is the table tools. Now according to your table there are the various tools that is in the tab of the design and the layout tab. In the design tab there are such type of the tab styles like this. These are the table styles. These are the shading, border effects you can give. And in the layout tab you can see टेबल के अंदर अगर ग्रिड लाइन शो करनी है, ग्रिड लाइन, डिलीट, इंसर्ट अबव, इंसर्ट बिलो, वही जो भी आपको बताया कि रो को इंसर्ट करना अबव, डाउन, बिलो, लेफ्ट एंड राइट बाय दीज बटन ऑल्सो यू कैन, राइट क्लिक करके भी आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हो और ये रोज एंड कॉलम ग्रुप में जाकर भी आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हो। और किसी भी सेल को अगर और भी स्प्लिट करना है, एक सेल को 2 सेल में डिवाइड करना है, तो स्प्लिट सेल, मर्ज के अंदर, स्प्लिट सेल के अंदर हम जा सकते हैं। हियर इट इज। और टेक्स्ट जैसा भी आपने शो करना है टेबल में, उसकी अलाइनमेंट आप यहाँ से दे सकते हो। हाइट एंड विड्थ टेबल के रोज एंड कॉलम्स की, दीज आर सम layout. Now we will go on the table style, that is design style. अब ये स्टाइल्स जो हमारा ऑलरेडी बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट दिस स्टाइल इज सिलेक्टेड, अगर मैंने ये देना है तो यू कैन सी द चेंजेस simultaneously when I am clicking in the table style, simultaneously you can see the changes in your table also. Now click on it, मोर करोगे तो और भी बहुत सारे स्टाइल्स आ जाएंगे जो भी आपको चाहिए। सपोज आई हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस, एंड यू कैन सी द टेबल स्टाइल इज नाउ दिस। नाउ टेबल शेडिंग, अगर मुझे पूरी टेबल सेलेक्ट करनी है तो इसके बॉर्डर पर कहीं भी जाके क्लिक ऑन कीजिए। जैसे ही आपने बॉर्डर सेलेक्ट किया उसके बाद शेडिंग में जाएंगे तो पूरी टेबल के अंदर यू कैन सी द चेंजेस, विच कलर यू विल सेलेक्ट। नाउ आई हैव सेलेक्टेड द कलर दिस, तो शेडिंग हो गई पूरी टेबल के अंदर। अगर आप बॉर्डर अप्लाई करने हैं, ऑल बॉर्डर, नो बॉर्डर, आउटसाइड बॉर्डर, आउटसाइड बॉर्डर आई हैव गिवन। दीज आर इफेक्ट, जो भी इसमें शेडो इफेक्ट देना है आपने, जिस भी तरह का रिफ्लेक्शन, सेल्फ लव, विच इफेक्ट्स यू वांट टू गिव टू योर टेबल, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस। मैं शेडो इफेक्ट में जाऊंगी, शेडो के अंदर आई हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस इफेक्ट। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस दैट इफेक्ट विल बी इंसर्टेड हेयर। तो दिस इज टेबल शेडिंग, अप्लाइंग अ बॉर्डर। नाउ अ border color we will decide. Go in design tab, there is a one more tab, that is a pen color. I am clicking on this button, that is the pen color button. When you will choose the pen color button, by this pen color you can change the color of the border of the table. I have selected this green color. Now you can see the icon is changes into a pencil icon. Now I am clicking on the border. And I am clicking on this pencil. I have selected the color red and I am clicking on this. You can see that color change. ये इतनी, इसकी width इतनी ज़्यादा क्यों दिखाई दे रही है? बिकॉज आई हैव सेलेक्टेड इट्स विड्थ ऑल्सो, दिस विड्थ आई हैव सेलेक्टेड 6 point. नाउ आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस बॉर्डर. यू कैन सी द कलर ऑफ दिस बॉर्डर इज चेंजेस. अगर आप इसको मूव करोगे, इस पेंसिल को, तो जितना आप मूव करोगे उतने ही सेल का कलर चेंज हो जाएगा. बाय दिस मेथड यू कैन चेंज द बॉर्डर कलर ऑफ द टेबल. Now I am changing the alignment of the text. Text was in the layout button. Clicking on this layout tab and text alignment, I am going here. Alignment. Firstly I selected the table. I have text direction I am changing. Horizontal तो ये already देखो, all the alignment have been changed here. Now come to the previous one. Again go to the text direction and horizontal I have selected again. Now let's back to previous. This is the center alignment, vertically centered. This is center. Now all the data of this table is centrally aligned. So this was all about our table. In this video I have told you how to insert a table, how you can insert or delete a new row and a new column. Now how you can insert the data, what table tools I told you about, the design tab and the layout tab. You can change the table shading, you can apply a border to a table, you can change the border color from the pen color, and you can change the text alignments. So this was chapter 5, and I have told you the practical session of the page number 37, 38, 39 and up to aligning text in a table. Now next topic is chart in a PowerPoint, that we will discuss in our next video. So all the facts about the table is they have been cleared in this video. Now I think you can insert a table and you can do the changes in the table. If you are having any problem in doing this practical session, anytime you can contact me, and you can refer your book also, because step by step it is written in your book also. Thank you and have a nice day.